Welcome to the Nutrition and Food Services Management program at Centennial College. This semester, our food lab faculty were faced with the unique challenge of redeveloping traditional labs for online delivery. With the support of our program coordinator, we worked together to recreate these courses to optimize them for virtual learning, while also ensuring that course learning outcomes and CS&M competencies were met. A new course orientation module was added to each course shell just before the semester start, allowing students to learn to navigate course content and to become familiar with the various technologies that will be used throughout the semester. Let's meet the professors and take a look at some of the new interactive course content, student assessments, and student work submitted so far. Meet Shauna Knight. Shauna teaches first semester lab kitchen production. This course provides students with the opportunity to develop kitchen skills, including measuring techniques and knife safety. Students also build their knowledge of kitchen equipment, guest service, customer satisfaction, and the importance of meeting production goals. New weekly course assessments in this food lab will allow students to have consistent practice in their own kitchens at home, so that they can apply the theory learned during virtual classes. Here is a sneak peek of our first semester students' knife skills submitted during week 2 of classes. This semester, students will be working in virtual teams to present kitchen equipment and services and to plan a theme menu complete with time activity schedules and requisitions for large quantity cooking. Meet Julie Trudeau. Julie teaches second semester lab food properties analysis. In this course, students grow to understand the chemical changes that occur during food production, thereby building their understanding of how to enhance food presentation, food texture, and flavors. Students also learn about food additives and they practice sensory evaluation techniques. Our goal is always to deliver engaging and relevant course content, but we also value the importance of quality student assessments. This semester, online quizzes and tests will be used across all food labs as a way to assess student learning. Virtual food lab demonstrations will ensure that students remain engaged and motivated. We are so excited to see our students demonstrate their own sensory evaluations and food presentations virtually. Meet Judith Jackson. Judith teaches third semester lab supervision practices. This course helps students to develop their leadership and supervisory skills. Students also apply and evaluate the principles of quality management. This semester, students will gain understanding of the Workplace Safety and Insurance Board and the Early and Safe Return to Work programs from the Ontario government. Virtual labs will also now allow students to take turns providing leadership to their fellow classmates. Each student will have the opportunity to experience providing direction to others, even at a distance. The semester is already off to a great start with students learning about HACCP and how it applies to healthcare food service. Take a look at this HACCP clip. The opportunity to gain hands-on experience with IDSI has also been made available. Students will be asked to collect from the college IDSI-approved syringes and thickening agent to practice thickening liquids at home along with their professor during virtual class demonstration. Meet Camila Rowe. Camila teaches 4th semester lab, recipe development and costing. In this course, students learn the principles and techniques of recipe development using quality management activities. Through individual and group work, students participate in designing, developing, and evaluating a recipe, and they apply the techniques for nutrient analysis, expansion, and costing. Students analyze recipes from the early development stage through to a finished product by preparing the recipes at home repeatedly over several weeks, making adjustments along the way to meet their production, cost, and nutrient goals. This course has always had a way of bringing out student creativity, teamwork skills, and problem-solving skills, and we are confident that this semester will be no different. Students have already been showcasing their culinary abilities and their garnishes in the first few weeks of classes. Throughout the semester, lab faculty will be using new online platforms to keep students engaged and motivated. Polls, Padlets, Kahoots, H5P activities, and Flipgrid video platforms all help to support interaction and to foster learning. Our students are engaged and ready to tackle this new way of learning. In the few weeks since the semester has started, we have had greater than 90% of attendance to all of our virtual food labs. And we are so grateful to our friends and partners in industry who have agreed to host virtual field trips and guest speaker sessions for our food lab students. The COVID-19 pandemic has changed the way that we live, it has changed the way that we teach, and the way that our students learn. And even though we were faced with challenges as faculty, we recognize our silver lining. As a team of faculty, we have become more resilient, more adaptive, and even more committed to providing positive learning experiences, empowering our students, and creating future leaders.